Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Richie, and today we're diving into one of the most important financial skills you can learn, creating a budget. So let's jump right into how you can build your very first budget in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Know your income. Before you can budget, you need to understand how much money you have coming in each month. For most people, this means your paycheck. But if you have multiple sources of income like a side hustle or freelance work, make sure to include that too. Don't forget about any passive income streams or benefits like government stipends or alimony. Take a look at your monthly net income. That's the money you actually take home after taxes and deductions. Step 2. Track your expenses. Now that you know how much you're earning, the next step is figuring out where all that money is going. The easiest way to do this is to track your expenses for a month. You can do it manually with pen and paper, or you can use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to make this process smoother. List out your fixed expenses first, like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Then, add your variable expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. You may be surprised by how much small things like daily coffee runs or monthly subscriptions add up. Step 3. Set financial goals. Now we get to the fun part, setting your financial goals. What are you working toward? It could be paying off credit card debt, saving for an emergency fund, or even building up money for a vacation. Make sure your goals are realistic and specific. For example, instead of just saying save money, set a goal to save $200 a month for an emergency fund. That way you have something clear to track, and you'll know exactly when you've hit that milestone. Step 4. Create a spending plan. Now it's time to put it all together. Based on your income and expenses, create a budget that aligns with your goals. Start by allocating money for necessities like housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Then, decide how much you can put toward your savings goals and debt repayment. Make sure you have some flexibility in your budget for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Step 5. Review and adjust monthly. Budgets are living documents, meaning they need to be adjusted as your income and expenses change. At the end of each month, sit down and review how well you stuck to your budget. Did you spend more than expected in some categories? That's okay. It's all part of the process. If you find you're consistently overspending in certain areas, adjust your budget or see where you can cut back. And if you hit your savings or debt goals ahead of schedule, congratulations. You might even decide to increase those targets. And that's it. 5 easy steps to build your first budget. It might take a little time to get used to, but once you have your system in place, it becomes second nature. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's a financial topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money tips. Let's make those financial goals happen together. See you in the next video.